Hey you guys, Amber J here from BestBetTradess, just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out today. And boy, did the Discord make some serious bank today. We did get call and put triggers this morning on Tesla and for Meta. And for Tesla, the calls were triggered at 203.53. The first price target hit of 204.80, the second price target hit of 205.88, and the third price target hit of 207.26. And then for Meta, the puts were triggered at 170.106. The first price target hit of 170.54, and the second price target hit of 169.77. So I'm going to show you how we played Tesla here in just a second. So it did gap up in pre-market, and it was sitting on, like if you can see the buy line, it was just sitting on the buy line the whole time and above that 9 EMA. Once the market opened, it came down, it tested the buy line, and it pushed right up. The second candle opened and it wicked off of the call trigger, so you could have gotten into calls. Everything was pointing in the right direction. The TTM squeeze was pushing to the upside, lots of green volume coming in. The MACD RSI was pushing to the upside, and the stochastic RSI was pushing to the upside as well. So that was a really good opportunity to get into calls, and you could have rode that up for a couple of candles, or you could have held tight while it was riding the 9 EMA all the way up, and you could have taken your profit at the final price target that it hit. So really awesome call out and play taken by the Discord. If you're not getting in on these call and put triggers, make sure you set the alerts on your charts, and once it gets alerted, then you can check to see if it's in line with Gundy's indicators, and you can get in and get out with profit. These price targets hit at least one price target every single day. So if you guys are watching, it's just easy money, guys, for this one because it's all mapped out for you. We just follow along with the indicators and use those price alerts as targets to get in and get out at. So I'm going to go over ES because we've all been playing ES like crazy in this Discord. We are playing with our Apex account, which is a funded trader program. So you get an evaluation account, and then once you hit a certain threshold, then you'll be a funded trader. A lot of us here are funded traders, and we like to trade ES because it pays really, really well. A couple of candles or even one small candle is hundreds, guys. It's amazing how it works. So this morning when the market opened, we did have a little bit of a sell, and with Gundy's indicators, when we get the sell signal and the EMAs don't cross, like the 9 and the 21, they didn't cross, and as soon as we got the buy signal and closed, you could have gotten into calls and rode that up to previous day high, which worked out perfectly. The TTM was squeezing to the upside, the MACD RSI was pushing to the upside, and the stochastic RSI was pushing to the upside as well. And then another one of the strategies that we like to use is previous day high and low. And at this case, because previous day high and low acts as really strong support or resistance, in this case, previous day high, it could not get past it. It was really, really strong resistance. It tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times before it started breaking down. Once this candle rejected previous day high and closed like that, the next candle didn't get up higher than this one. So we're starting to read really good price action based on the candles. We could have gotten in and rode down for puts, and if you held on longer, you could have gotten this big drop on ES, which would have been paid out huge. I scalped it. I got in it really, really quickly, and so did a lot of other people in the Discord. I don't know if anyone caught this big, huge sell candle, which would have been an amazing catch. But as you can see, here it did consolidate under the 50 EMA. It tested the 9. Once the 9 started crossing over the 50, you knew it was time for puts again, and it just dumped down to the 200, which would have been another really awesome play. And as you can see, the TTM squeeze indicator was pushing to the downside. The MACD RSI was pushing to the downside, and the stochastic RSI was pushing to the downside as well. So it would have been a really awesome play, even to just ride it down to the next price target, would be about at the 200 EMA, which is this yellow one here, which acts as really strong support or resistance. So I'm telling you guys, we've been making a ton of money playing ES and at optimal points at A1 setups, because it's a game of probabilities. So the most probable chance of getting a green trade is waiting for these A1 setups that we have in our Discord, and we're all watching and playing together at the same time. So we're all watching the same chart. So 10 eyes on the chart is better than just one. So we talk things through in our voice channel. And if you guys are interested in joining our Discord, just click on the link below. You'll be routed to our website and you can read about us there. And if you're interested to join, then by all means, click on the link below and you can be trading with us as early as tomorrow morning. And that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys have a great evening, and I will talk to you guys all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.